Good day, sir. The topic that we discuss is all about industry-specific case studies and WBL, presented Sir Nel Giselle from BTVT Ed FSM 3B. Objective: define the industry-specific case studies and WBL, discuss the technology and IT, understand the manufacturing and skill trades. Industry-specific case study in WBL, industry-specific work-based learning. WBL case studies illustrate how organizations integrate practical experience with academic learning to address specific skill and needs. These case studies span various sectors including technology, manufacturing, hospitality, accounting, and creative industry. Kumbaga, ito yung mga mayroong dapat maging practical or mga experience with academic learning. And syempre, yung skill mo din sa iba't ibang sector or industry. Technology and IT. Lahi Tech and Snap Inc. partnership. This case study highlight a collaboration that provides promising young people, particularly those from underrepresented group with access to the tech industry. Kumbaga, ito yung mga collaboration with other people or yung mga underrepresented group. Biotechnology internship, a program at a middle community college work with a local biotechnology companies to place study and paid year-long internship. This initiative gives students in the degree program immersive training and help. Yung biotechnology internship naman, ito yung mga student with year-long internship. Kumbaga yung mga initiative with student at may mga degree para mas madali itong makapasok or train or para hindi sila mahirapan. Web and social media production, a case study and the creative industries detail the development of Fact Track WBL degree apprenticeship in web media production. It explored the advantages and challenges of integrating WBL into a burgeoning sector characterized by small business and rapid technological change. Ito naman yung mga nasa social media, yung mga platform na pinag-ano nila, yung mga mga business or parang mas na-challenge sila or explore yung mga advantages. Technology and IT. Manufacturing and skill trades. Shoe production, a study across Portugal, Romania, and Germany examined the potential of WBL within shoe-producing companies and compared national curricula with workplace learning opportunities, finding that most content from school-based vocational, educational, and training BET could be learned on the job. Kumbaga, ito yung mga work learning opportunities with the people to those in company. Kumbaga, mas matitrain sila kung ano yung dapat na pinapasukan nila or kung gusto nilang mas matutunan pa, could be learned on the job. BIM for infrastructure, a case study and the constructor sector involving building information modeling, demonstrate how development work from interdisciplinary collaboration supported value undergraduate WBL placement. This approach help integrate apply research project with external agency need. Ito naman yung mga involving with the building information modeling, or kung baga dinidemonstrate how to develop from her work or yung mga pagdidisciplinary, and then yung pagiging collaboration na din. Apprenticeship in craft center, specific example like workshop, school craft center, and employment workshop demonstrate establish apprenticeship. Ito naman yung mga nasa workshop, school, or mga craft center, and yung mga employees sa workshop. Parang ito yung mga demonstrate nila, yung mga apprenticeship. Thank you. This is my report, sir. God bless.